Consistency is the most important aspect or criteria in you tackling your goals. It could be the one aspect that is keeping you from achieving the success that you desire. We are what we repeatedly do, so therefore excellence is not an act but just a habit. That's a quote that is very, very true in self-improvement and business. You are what you repeatedly do. Consistency and attaining the thing you want have a consistently correlated attitude. Any single millionaire, billionaire, rich, successful person on the planet has consistency and has put consistency into the endeavors they have. And that is the single most important factor on why they're rich and you are poor. It's obvious, it's easy to understand that the more hours you put into something, the more results you're going to get in the future. It's the concept of forced luck. You know, the more opportunities you put yourself into by being consistent in your endeavors, the more likely you are to have a lucky event come from your hard work and discipline. Hello, I'm Dylan, I'm 17, and in today's video we are going to be discussing 3 easy tips to stay consistent and become more consistent in the endeavors you are seeking to complete. Listen, before we get into today's video, I hope you gather a lot of value from it. Get a pen, paper, take notes, but if you're looking to get more value from me personally, look at the top link in the description and book a free one-on-one meeting where I can take you through the details of what will happen on the 21 days we'll work together. It'll involve habit tracking, scheduling, journaling, and most importantly, accountability, me to you over the 21 days. I swear you will become a more productive person and I can see the potential in you. Click that top link. So the first point in today's video, the man that enjoys the walk will always walk further than the man that doesn't. Very easy to understand. If you enjoy your work, you will want to be more consistent, disciplined, and complete it more often. Find work that you find your passion in, you find happiness in, you find fulfillment in, and you'll find it increasingly easier to complete. This is obviously very specific to you and your specific endeavor. However, brainstorm it, find something that is generally progressive, productive, while being enjoyable to complete. Again, if you want help with this, top link in the description, we can brainstorm together, work with you one-on-one, and yeah, we can get to the bottom of this. I think this concept's really important, but not the be-all end-all. You do have to do work that you don't enjoy sometimes. That is just the caveat of discipline in some cases. So don't only do the work you want to do. Maybe do that last as a little bit of delayed gratification while you slug through and eat the frog. Advice number 2, focus on the time frame and not the task frame. I know you'll focus on the outcome, the destination, the goal being completed, whether it's monetary, intrinsic, extrinsic, materialistic, whatever the goal is, you need to not focus on it and only focus on the time frame you're willing to put into the productive task. So for me, in my personal endeavor of trading, my time frame is 5 years. I'm 1 year deep right now, so I understand that I have 4 years to become profitable. Therefore, there's no pressure on me to complete it within a certain time frame of like a month or a year, and this just removes pressure, which is really important in my own journey, as trading with pressure creates a lot of bad habits that you don't want to be putting into the market. And I'm not saying that pressure isn't good. You know, pressure is quite important for a lot of people to get out of ruts, but in general, you're more likely to be consistent when less pressure is applied onto yourself. This prevents burnout, this prevents you disliking your work, and this limits the first point in today's video. So yeah, think of the time frame. Think of how long you're willing to put in. Be realistic. For me, 5 years is more than realistic. Be realistic, be more than realistic in how much you're really intrinsically willing to put into the task that you want completed or the endeavor that you want to be fulfilled. Lastly, in today's video, you have to understand consistency and your productive journey in improvement and business is a bell curve. You start on one side, you're uninformed, optimistic, as Alex Hormozi says, and then you dip down to the valley of despair. This is where you lose all your optimism, all of your drive. You feel a lot of pressure on yourself. You feel like you want to quit, but this is where the consistency is important, because just around the corner of this valley of despair is your inevitable destination of your goal being completed. You have to understand that this bell curve is inevitable in your journey. You can't escape it. You just need to recognize when you're feeling the failure, you're feeling the distress, you're feeling the fatigue from your work and the burnout, that keep pushing, keep being consistent and disciplined in your endeavor, and you'll escape the bell curve of improvement. Bit of a short video today. I hope you enjoyed the format and the editing. Let me know in the comment section below. But again, if you're looking to work with me one-on-one and unlock your productive self, then please look at the top link in the description. I'll create personalized plans for you to increase your productive work. I'll help you brainstorm on what productive work is generally progressive in your endeavor, and I'll keep you accountable, consistent, and disciplined in the work that you complete. Thanks for watching today's video.